if statements allow your code to check conditions and execute different actions accordingly. The basic idea here is simple. If something is true, then do this. If you want a backup plan, then you can add else, do this instead. And if you need more options, you can chain them together using else if. Else if is going to let you check additional conditions in order so your program can respond differently depending on each scenario. Here is a perfect example. Checking grades. If score is greater than or equal to 90, then the grade is going to be A, so we're going to handle the top students. Else if the score is greater than or equal to 80, we are going to set the grade to B, otherwise, or else, we set the grade to be F. And just like that, your program just became a teacher.